grown woman here, and I struggle with adult acne. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Jazzmen Newsom, where we talk about beauty, fashion, and vegan recipes. And I wanted to talk to you about skin care. Now, I've struggled with acne most of my life, and I still deal with it now. I deal with hyperpigmentation, I deal with hormonal acne, sometimes cystic acne, and it really irritates me. It hurts on my face first and foremost, but also sometimes I'm embarrassed because I have these pimples and I'm grown and they just protrude out my face like I'm a teenager. I have combination skin, so I have oily spots and I also have very dry patches that come on my face. So when I deal with issues like this, when my skin is really irritated, I like to treat my face to a sea moss mask. Now, sea moss has risen to popularity in the last 2 years for mainstream. It really helps to balance out my skin. So I'm just going to walk you through the process that I do when I make my sea moss mask, everything that leads up to me putting the actual moss on my face. So stay tuned and I'm going to walk you through that process. Up first, I'm going to steam my face, so I'm going to take a medium-sized pot of boiling water and add that to a big bowl to steam my face for 15 minutes to open up my pores. Up next is washing my face. I use Cetaphil and my silicone face scrubber, and I scrub my face for 1 minute, and then I rinse off with warm water, not hot, warm. Then I'm taking my hydrated sea moss. I'm using about a golf-sized portion with 1/4 cup of water, and I'm going to blend that until smooth. It's going to be a gel-like consistency once done. I rub this all over my face, my neck, and my lips, and I allow that to sit for 15 minutes. It will feel really dry afterwards. After that, I'm going to rinse it all off, and I'm going to use my toner serum from Bliss up next. I just put this all over my face and my neck to make sure everything is all clean and feeling all good, you know. And then I'm going to use a gentle chemical exfoliant and put this all over my face as well to make sure I get all of that dry skin off. Use a small amount of moisturizer because I don't want my face to feel greasy. And there you go, I'm looking good. So I really hope that you all will try this face mask. It's super easy. I bought my sea moss at my local farmer's market. However, you can buy it on Amazon and Etsy. I'll just beware, do some of your research on the sellers on there. But you can usually find it online if you cannot find it in your grocery store or a farmer's market. The end of the video. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe and like it. Gives me a thumbs up. It really helps my channel a lot when you leave a comment or like my video. Like I always say, stay happy, stay healthy, and always stay you, my friends. Mwah!